In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of a failed attempt to add a new Steam library folder. If you're a gamer, you know how crucial it is to have your games organized and accessible. But sometimes, Steam doesn't cooperate when you try to add a new library folder. Don't worry, I'm here to help you sort it out. Let's begin by opening the Steam app on your computer. Once you have Steam up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam logo there, which acts as a drop-down menu. Clicking this logo is your gateway to accessing various settings and options within Steam. Once you've clicked the Steam logo, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select the option labeled Settings. This is where we can tweak some configurations to resolve the issue at hand. In the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. We're interested in the one that says Downloads. Go ahead and click on Downloads. This tab contains various options related to downloading games and managing your library folders. Now, we're getting to the crux of the matter. Within the Downloads section, you'll need to find the option that says Clear Download Cache. This is an important step because clearing the cache can resolve many common issues, including the problem with adding a new library folder. Click on Clear Cache to proceed. As you click to clear the download cache, a confirmation dialog will appear. This is Steam's way of making sure you want to proceed with this action. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete any of your games. It simply removes temporary download files that might be causing the issue. Click Confirm to finalize the cache clearing process. By now, you've completed the steps necessary to fix the problem. Once you've confirmed the cache clearance, restart Steam to see if the issue has been resolved. In most cases, this should solve the problem, allowing you to add a new library folder without further complications. It's always a good idea to keep your Steam app up to date and to regularly clear the cache to avoid running into similar issues in the future. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider checking your internet connection or reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found it useful, feel free to share it with other fellow gamers who might be experiencing the same issue. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.